Sema value. Lions, those who have value, they are poached.
Yes.
Director HR are always on the lookout.
Yes.
Which is that lion which I can just encroach. I can lock in my zoo.
Yeah.
To bring
Value.
highness, you don't look for them, daktari.
Yes.
If you go to Nairobi National Park to pay to see animals, to see lion, monkeys come to see you at the gate. Shikilia mkono ya neighbor. Walikutafuta ama ulijileta? Are we together? Please. Have value. Have? They will look for you. They will hear what you have done for the other customer. They have had value you have added, advice, process. They come after.